Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around a Porsche 996 Carrera 4S that we've upgraded with a doubled-in conversion. I'm going to be going through the whole system in today's video, so stay tuned right to the very end, guys. But if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So to start off with, this customer came into us, booked an audio consultation. I sat down with the customer and we spec'd the system. In terms of the solution that we've gone for is a CDR23 radio from stock, and what we've done is upgraded that unit to a Kenwood unit. We've got something called a DMX8020. Basically it features wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, plus digital radio, plus we've got hands-free, loads of functionality packed now live directly onto a 7-inch touchscreen. What this is basically involves is basically removing some of the heater controls, relocating those. There's quite a lot of work. Some modifications do have to take place behind the dashboard to allow the doubled-in conversion to sit into this spec. So this vehicle came into us with a CDR23 radio plus with the Bose setup. What we've done is fully retain the Bose setup in terms of the speaker configuration. However, if you're not happy with the actual sound in the vehicle, we can also carry out a full upgrade to the sound system in the vehicle too. We've also flushed in the mic right at the top, so it's all really discreet. Plus, we've also gone for a glass mount DAB antenna on this occasion, as well as the fact we've now got a 7-inch screen, loads of functionality. You've got physical buttons along the bottom, which is really nice. Plus, you've also got the wireless CarPlay, so all your connectivity through your phone is all live on there, like your maps, your Spotify integration, your phone calls, all live on there. Plus you've got Android Auto, so you've got similar features on Android live on the screen as well. It's all completely wireless. We've also dropped the USB leads into the glove box on this occasion because they're solely now really used for charging rather than connectivity. But you've got additional charging source, you've got functionality, plus it just makes a massive difference to actually driving the vehicle on a daily basis. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video. If you are interested in something like this, book an audio consultation, come by and see us. Generally speaking, we have about 3 or 4 Porsches worked on at the same time, so we can show you actually what's going on behind the scenes a little bit more, walk you through some options, and we can get your system spec designed and then installed as well. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below, but thank you very much. We'll see you soon.